How to invest $500,000 in Gold IRA for retirement. Securing a prosperous retirement requires smart financial decisions. One strategy is investing in a Gold IRA, which helps protect wealth, hedge against inflation, and ensure long-term stability. With $500,000, you can create a strong foundation for your golden years. Why choose a Gold IRA? Inflation protection. Gold retains its value over time, unlike paper currency or stocks. Portfolio diversification balances your retirement portfolio and reduces reliance on stocks and bonds. Tax benefits. Depending on whether you choose a traditional or Roth IRA, you can enjoy tax-deferred or tax-free growth. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Steps to invest $500,000 in a Gold IRA. 1. Understand Gold IRAs. A Gold IRA is a self-directed retirement account allowing investment in physical gold, bars and coins, instead of traditional paper assets. 2. Choose a reputable custodian. Gold IRAs require a qualified custodian to manage your assets. Look for a strong reputation and experience, transparent fees, knowledgeable customer support. 3. Open and fund your account. You can fund your Gold IRA through direct contributions, subject to IRS annual limits, transfers or rollovers, move funds from an existing 401k or IRA. 4. Select your gold assets. Gold bars, high purity and weight precision. Gold coins. Popular options include the American Gold Eagle or Canadian Maple Leaf for added liquidity. 5. Purchase gold via your custodian. Your custodian will handle the purchase, ensuring the gold meets IRS purity standards, 99.5%. Key considerations for a $500,000 investment. Diversification. Avoid investing all $500,000 in gold. Include silver, platinum, or palladium for balance. Market timing. Monitor gold prices to optimize your purchase. Storage fees. Gold IRAs require secure, IRS-approved storage, which comes with fees. Benefits of a $500,000 Gold IRA investment. Economic stability. Gold maintains value during market downturns. Long-term wealth preservation. Gold is a tangible asset, free from default risks. Liquidity. Can be easily sold if needed. Investing $500,000 in a Gold IRA is a major financial step requiring careful planning. While gold offers stability and protection, a balanced portfolio ensures long-term growth. Consult with financial experts and select a trustworthy custodian to secure your retirement future. With proper planning, your Gold IRA investment can become a powerful wealth-preserving strategy for your golden years. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.